Hi, this is Janelle Livet from Livet Online Marketing. If you're a freelancer that makes videos or does any sort of video production at all, this is the perfect product for you. There's thousands of templates that you can edit in Canva, just the basic version of Canva. So if you want to shortcut your way to success and get lots of gigs on Fiverr. Hi everybody, this is Janelle Livet from Livet Online, and I wanted to do a quick review of Visual Suites, which is a thousands of templates. Create these, I will actually edit the templates, make them into anything you want. It comes with resale rights, so you can resell it, and you don't need to download anything or install anything because we're using Canva, and it's not even the paid for Canva, it's the free version of Canva. So it's excellent. I purchased it and I've used it, probably made my money back 3 times over already just in the last week. So you can get 1,000 plus done for your Canva templates for social feeds and websites. There's captivating animations, so they're little videos that Canva creates now. You can charge between $100 to $300 per animated template if you wanted to. Whatever supports Canva, you can use this on. You can even edit them on your smartphone, so you don't even need to be near your computer. You can do it during your lunchtime. There's step-by-step tutorials. Not that you need them. If you know how to use Canva, then you're pretty well set. You get unlimited access. There's no monthly fees. You've got resale rights included, I think. And I think I said that. You don't have to download any files. It's just the usual way that you use Canva. So it's pretty easy, and if you know how to use Canva, and even if you don't, it's a pretty short learning curve. And if you're doing anything to do with design as a freelancer or a virtual assistant, or even for your own business, this is brilliant. There's so many templates you're going to blow out. I'll just scroll through here and show you what we've got. So you know how much time it takes now to do your visual content, or you can pay lots of money. Like I was paying for a subscription that was like $40 a month or something, and the templates were good, but these ones are excellent. It blew me away. You might be able to tell. So let's start from module 1. We've got animated templates, video animations, and they're all nice. Come with music. Module 2 is corporate style ones, so slideshow type. So nice and polished. I know I get tired of coming up with ideas, so it's good to have something as a base plate. It's like writing on a blank page. It's good to have a baseline. These are square video animations. So a quick look at one of those. Next we have vertical ones. Feed ads. Oh, sorry. Square banner designs. So these ones aren't animated, they're just plain. Well, not plain, but we've got story banner designs, infographics, landing pages, and YouTube thumbnails. So this whole package was actually less than $30 when I bought it, and for resale rights, it's really good value. I'll just take you through to where I've imported them into my Canva account, and you can see that if you've used this before, you can just click in and edit anything you like, the same as you do in Canva. So yeah, overall great product, good price, and you can resell it. It's going to save you a heap of time. Perfect for freelancers, graphic designers, or maybe graphics designers. Yep, freelancers, virtual assistants, use them for your own business. They're just versatile and there's great value. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick little demo, and if you'd like to purchase a product, there'll be a link in the description, and thank you for watching.